this year we have a great apple harvest, so I'm going to be making a French tarte tatin. I have a lovely selection of apples here. Oh yes, I forgot to introduce my funky sous chef who will be joining me today. So we got to peel these apples. Now we peeled all the apples, we need to cut them into 8 pieces and take out the core. You may want a grown-up to do this with you. Let's get to it. Now the apples are cut, we need to cook them in some butter. Once it starts bubbling, put the apples in. Remember to cook them for 4 or 5 minutes or until they go brown. And don't forget to flip them. Time to give them another turn. And another turn. Now you can see they've turned a lovely golden brown. It's time to add the sugar. I'm using caster sugar, but you can use brown sugar if you want. And the cinnamon, only a tablespoon though. And just pour some water in and let the sugar dissolve. Looks like Coke, doesn't it? Okay. Once they've gone a lovely golden brown, you've got to lift them up into this lined baking sheet neatly. Be careful because they are really hot. Now we're going to cover it in some caramelized sauce. Be careful because this is really hot and it'll stick to you. Okay. Now you're going to cover it in some puff pastry. Going to lay it on like that. Get a fork and down the side. You got to put this in the oven for 15 minutes or until the pastry's puffed up and gone a nice golden brown. Okay, now what you have to do is transfer this onto the plate. I'm going to put the plate on top of it like that. And then you're just going to flip it over. Oh. Voila! There it is. Let's see what Chief Taster thinks it tastes like. And this is my one. Go. Let's see what it tastes like. You go first. Does it taste good? Tastes delicious. See you next time.
So subscribe as well.